Car won't start now. You feel like Paul Blart? Man, I'm here with you. Let me tell y'all about my morning. Quick story time. So I wake up in the morning and it's a Monday too. You feel me? Getting ready to go to work. I even told myself I'm gonna do good. I'm about to go to work early. But the car wouldn't even start. So I had to start off by taking the old battery out. It was so many different brackets and stuff just holding it back.
The battery heavy, mate. I got a mile to go.
Then I had to take a country 2.5 miles to walk to AutoZone.
Get in the zone, AutoZone. I just gotta cross the street. They said the battery was bad. Worst news of it all, they said I need to buy a new battery. I thought I had a warranty. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I tried to buy a new battery.
Y'all see how hot it is?
Man,
I'm in there dripping.
they said that they don't even sell it at that store. So now I gotta go to a different store. I'm walking back to my truck to see if the little charge that they gave me can at least make it to that store. But it's a struggle, man. You see I'm sweating. Walking this country mile with this heavy ass battery on my
That bill
back.
about 50 pounds.
But it is what it is.
So I pulled up, like you know what I came here for. Then ended up buying a new battery. Unfortunately, it cost me like $300. And now I'm waiting for the Uber to get me back to the crib because I am just over it at this point. I done missed work and everything. Shout out to my boy Lynn, man. You already know how he is. Cool dude.
Out with the old and with the new. See if this thing works.
Oh boy. This that part where you're like, Lord, please. Yes, sir.
Now I gotta slap the pieces back together.
But yeah, man, that's how I went. And don't forget, subscribe to your boy